Really, the best gameplay ever played. Come on then, bitches, let's play.
The outpost is important, but our top priority should be the lives of those hostages. The people of Kirat depend on the Golden Path for protection. We cannot let them down. Rescue the
Shut the
hostages,
fuck up about the
brother.
Path. Asshole. What the fuck is this? Oh, I'm sleepy. So stupid. I slept for like 2 minutes. Okay.
Bacon will add so much. I swear.
What the fuck? Oh, he's in a funny position to die.
Look
Spin.
at this. Look at
What?
what Bacon Man has done.
What have they done? What have they done? Stupid bitch.
This will only strengthen our resolve. The Golden Path will never stop fighting now. Not as long as Pagan is in power.
God damn it, so
I
pathetic.
know I made the right choice when I joined the Golden Path.
Okay. It's gonna famicize man. Well. Oh. Oh. Yeah. Nailed it. See if we can get some animals. So I can kill. Oh, fuck. Where is he? What the fuck? My mate, they're ready for the taking. No one wants it. What? Oh, where did that tag at? I missed something. Holy fuck! Alright, better reload that. Better reload! Oh! No! Oh, yes. Ah, die, bitch. Oh, god damn it. My babe. Eh. I almost died. Because of you. You fucking asshole. You killed me. Made me look like an idiot in front of my friends. Really hadn't taken the opposite way route. Wow. Must be an easier way. Ah, fuck you, man. Ah, shit. Just blew my cover. Dun, dun, dun.
Stay alert! We don't know what's out here! It's all going to be okay. Where did that shot?
Headshot. What?
Up there! Up there! Send him running!
What the fuck? It's gotta be a stealth game. I can't stand stealth. I like to have fucking fun when I play the game. Don't like to tiptoe around and stab them in the back. Fuck this. throwing knives like Rambo. My name is now Rambo. Please don't call me Billy. I'm not Billy anymore. Sunglasses on and my bandana on. I'm gonna have to bring it on. Let's play it serious now. I'm not playing no game, no bullshit no more. Okay. Let's check what's in this chest. Open. Why the fuck would I need blood for? For you guys who are watching, who want to be just like me, the best gameplay ever played, you will never have pain. Just watch this. Oh yeah. Killed him. Oh no. Oh, I got him. Yes, and with one shot. I'm so amazing. That's it. This game's so stupid. They could break away when I kill the others.
You get our money worth.
You die now, boy. In the face. In the back. And damn it. That goes fine now. What the fuck's the nice guy? Bye-bye.
Can you free us, please?
Shut the fuck up.
The hostages are safe, Sabal.
You're doing your father's name proud, Ajay. This is what he wanted when he created the Golden Path, to help his people.
Look, I didn't come here for my father or any of this.
We can still use your help, brother. Look at the difference you've made. I know, I'm asking a lot of you, but helping the Golden Path will take you to Lakshmana. I promise you that. We'll find it together.
Thanks, Sabal.
Ah,
Ajay,
yeah.
it's Amita. I know that Sabal put you up to rescuing the hostage.
I can only give you this. I wish I had more for you. But thank
give me more, bitch. Let's wrap it down here like a badass. Ah, fuck. Totally know what I tried to do. Let's try it again. How do I go down? Yeah, looking good. What? Oh, wait, let go. Let go of it. Come on. Come on. Oh, wait. Oh, no. God damn it. Stupid asshole. P6? What the fuck? I died from a 360s, yep. That's what explains everything. This game is so shit. Where the fuck am I?
Kill those monsters! Shoot the beast!
Hey! Oh no! No! Oh, Steve, you hear me? God damn it! Totally deserve to die. Ah. How many fucking bullets? Let's get him. Hasta la vista, baby. But hey, doggy. Oh no! Oh, fuck. There's no boosters on this thing. Oh no, I'm dead. Haha, nailed it. Fuck. Oh shit! Oh, hello? Holy fuck. I don't kill the elephant. I don't want to kill the elephant. Okay, there we go. That's one down. Oh, bullshit. Elephant are working together with me. Oh. There. Huh. That was easy. Me and the elephant will destroy this game together as friends. What?
First the hostages, then the outpost. You're not much of a listener, Ajay, but I have to admit, you've done a good job today.
Thanks.
Shut
Just felt like the right thing to do.
Your mother would be proud. You want to reach Lakshmana.
Kiss me
Getting there
already, I
won't
know
be
you
easy.
want to.
You lost the north to pagan Minye.
Did my parents really start the Golden Path?
They did. Their goal was to free Kirat from pagan's regime. Now you have a chance to help us finish the work they started. Just think about it, Ajay.
How about now we crazy that bitch?
Well, Mom, looks like we're staying.
I still have the fucking right. Where am I now? Okay. Let's go. Where's my elephant friend? Where's my elephant? He was here helping me. Where is he? Where is my elephant?
What the hell?
Oh. Oh, fuck. That's me signing out, bitch.